And now, eternal youth. Is it in a cage around the corner? News tonight of a breakthrough for some pioneering mice. But we always wonder, what does a fountain of youth for rodents reveal for humans? Here's Sharon Alfonsi reporting.
I feel tremendous.
In the movie Cocoon, it's a swimming pool that turns back the clock for a group of senior citizens. But now researchers have found a way not just to stop, but reverse the aging process. The key is something called a telomere. We all have them. They're the tips or caps of your chromosome, seen here in yellow. This is what it looks like in a young adult. But as you grow older, the telomeres become damaged and frayed, and as they stop working, we start aging, experiencing things like hearing and memory loss. Scientists took mice who were prematurely aged, added an enzyme, and essentially turned their telomeres back on. You can see it before the enzyme, after.
Their brain function improved, their fertility was restored. It was a remarkable reversal of the aging process.
Look at this picture. The mouse on the right has bad skin, gray hair, and is balding. But the one on the left had its telomeres flipped back on.
And you could see that essentially you now have a dark coat color, that the hair is restored, that the coat has a nice healthy sheen to it.
Even more dramatic, the change in brain size. This is before. The mice had 75% of a normal brain, like a patient with severe Alzheimer's. But after the telomeres were reactivated, the brain returns to normal size. As for humans, while it is just one factor, scientists now say by looking at our blood cells and measuring those telomeres, you can get a better idea of how well you'll age. The longer the telomere, the better the chances for a more graceful aging. Sharon Alfonsi, ABC News, New York.
Back now at 7:48 with the latest discoveries that have some scientists asking if it is possible to live forever. NBC's Michelle Kaczynski is here with details. Hey, Michelle, good morning.
Hi, good morning, Ann. You know, you talk to some of these top researchers, microbiologists, molecular geneticists, and it's almost hard to believe that what they're saying is real and not science fiction, that there's this growing community of scientists that sees aging as not necessarily an inevitability, but a problem that they believe can be fixed.
In science labs around the world, right now, the race is heating up to reverse human aging. You heard right, not slow it down or fix it up, but turn it around by things like regenerating tissues and organs, using stem cells, computers. There's a printer that makes blood vessels, mice that regrow intestines.
Why don't you take these?
And a supplement created by American molecular geneticist Bill Andrews that he says slows the shortening of our chromosome tips, or telomeres, which is believed to be a main reason why we age.
The main reason I want to live forever is it's fun to be alive.
Inspired by his dad, who challenged him as a child to become a doctor and cure aging.
The literature tells us that it's, I would say, 95% certain or better that if we can find ways to lengthen the telomeres, we are going to reverse aging.
There are some doubters, but those on the front lines believe real breakthroughs in lifespan are possible soon. These scientists are pushing their mortal minds to the limit.
You would hurry up. I promised that I would reach 150.
To, as they put it, cure aging or die trying.
Recently, we have discovered that the science of human aging is really pretty simple. We age because our cells divide and our telomeres get shorter. What's a telomere? Well, to answer that, let's zoom into a human's 100 trillion cells. Every cell contains a nucleus with genes and chromosomes. If you zoom in further, you see that the chromosomes are made up of DNA molecules that are 100 million bases long, coiled up like a slinky. There are long, repetitive sequences of DNA at the end of each of our chromosomes. These sequences are called telomeres. When a cell divides, the genetic material inside that cell needs to be copied. This is called DNA replication. During this process, enzymes that replicate a strand of DNA are unable to continue replicating all the way to the end, which causes the loss of some DNA. And the ends, if you remember, are where the telomeres are. At birth, we have about 10,000 bases. But as we age and our cells divide again and again, we lose those bases. And at 5,000 bases, we begin to die of old age. As telomeres get shorter, humans begin to experience the general effects of aging: loss of muscle, failing memory, poor eyesight, lack of energy, and slower recovery after exercise. The bottom line is this: when cells divide, telomeres shorten. And bad things happen when telomeres get short. Research we completed in 1997 established that humans also have an enzyme called telomerase that can lengthen telomeres. This research was so significant that in 2009, it was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. I lead a team of scientists pursuing this line of research, and we are virtually the only scientists pursuing it. Our recent collaboration with John Anderson's 30 years of formulating experience is yielding results beyond anything we have ever experienced. It won't be surprising to see many companies trying to enter this space and begin marketing products touted to support telomeres. But I know from my research, not all telomere products are the same. One company is leading the way with a complete system that not only addresses the causes of aging, but also provides a credible product system to effectively support healthy telomeres. This remarkable research may one day reveal the secret of living a longer, healthier life. I am grateful for the opportunity I've had to share it with you.
Are you ready to look and feel younger with the world's most advanced telomere support technology? Telomeres protect the ends of our chromosomes as they divide, and as they divide, they shorten. This inevitable shortening is an indicator of biological aging. Although telomere shortening is a normal part of getting older, oxidative stress, obesity, and poor nutrition can quickly speed up the aging process. Product B is a revolutionary new youthful aging product that helps to support your telomere health and maintain the youthful function of cells so you can live a healthier life longer. In addition, Product B contains the key youthful aging antioxidants to protect telomeres, promote higher antioxidant enzyme defenses, and help your body maintain youthful cell function. Get Product B today. Living longer never felt better.